In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your phone's DNS to AdGuard Home using NordVPN Meshnet. Here's the plan. We'll first grab the Meshnet IP address of the device that's running AdGuard Home, and then we'll plug that address into your phone's NordVPN app as a custom DNS. This route lets your phone send all DNS lookups through Meshnet to your AdGuard Home so you can filter and track queries wherever you are. Let's start on the device that's actually running AdGuard Home, such as your PC. Open the NordVPN app on that machine. In the sidebar or menu, look for the section called Devices in Meshnet. This is where NordVPN lists all devices linked to your Meshnet, each with its own secure 100.xxx address. Find the entry for the device running AdGuard Home. If you've named your devices clearly, it'll be easy to spot. Copy its unique Meshnet IP address. It will look something like 100.xxx. Keep this address handy because it's the one your phone will use as its DNS server. If you don't see the device, make sure Meshnet is enabled in NordVPN on both devices and that the machine with AdGuard Home is online. Now switch to your phone. Open the NordVPN app there as well. Tap the Add Settings icon, usually the little gear in the corner. From there, go to Connection and Security or a similarly named section depending on your app version. Look for an option called Use Custom DNS and toggle it on. When the DNS field appears, paste in the Meshnet IP address you just copied from your AdGuard Home device. That's it. You've told your phone to send DNS queries to your AdGuard Home over Meshnet instead of using the default DNS. A couple of tips to make this smooth. App menus can vary slightly on Android and iOS, but the path is the same idea. Settings, connection options, then custom DNS. Make sure NordVPN is allowed to create a VPN connection on your phone, since Meshnet rides over that. If you're on cellular data and things don't resolve at first, try toggling the VPN connection or switching briefly to Wi-Fi to test. You can confirm it's working by checking the query log in your AdGuard Home dashboard and seeing your phone's lookups come in. If you ever need to revert, just return to the same setting and turn off Use Custom DNS. That's the whole process. You've captured your AdGuard Home device's Meshnet IP and set your phone to use it as DNS through NordVPN. Enjoy private, consistent filtering wherever you go.